Hello everyone, I'm Shanad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how you can create tables in Postgres, and I'll be going into a detailed thing, and we'll be also talking about data types as well, which are available in Postgres. So let's start this interesting video, and I'll be go slowly and understanding you I'll be making you understand about the topics and all of the stuff in this video. And in the next video also I'll be talking about constraints, and I'll also talking details about constraints so that you can remember, and I'll also try to give some examples as well. So if I do a small recap, then in the previous video I've shown you that how you can install data grip, how you can set up a data grip, and with a Postgres connector, and how you can create a Superbase project, and then take its credential and use it to connect to the data grip. And then I created a simple table, which we'll be talking in this video in detail, and I'll be showing you how you can do that. So let's get started. And if you haven't watched the video, then I would highly recommend you to actually watch the previous video, as well as you can also watch our GSOC playlist, which is there in our channel. I have uploaded 3 videos, which I think is enough for GSOC, and hopefully you watch the proposal video, because the last deadline to submit the proposal is 19th April 11:30 p.m. So I hope that you will watch the proposal video, and will submit your proposal as well. So let's get started in this video, and let's talk about that how to create tables in Postgres. So let's get started. So now you can see that how we can create table in Postgres. We just have, this is the particular SQL syntax, that is create, which is indicating that we have to create what we have to indicate. We have to create table, so create table. Then we have to provide a table name. Just for example, we can give for users, maybe then person, or maybe books. So right, just for example, if I'm telling you that what is a table, right, let's talk about that what is a table. Yeah, this is pretty much important. I should talk about what is table first, then we will talk about that how to create a table. So basically, let's talk about what actually table is. So basically, a table in a database indicates that अगर आपके लाइक बहुत सारे एंटिटीज है तो वो टेबल के अंडर होंगे, राइट. जैसे इफ देयर आर यूजर्स, सो वो यूजर्स वो टेबल का अंदर होंगे, राइट. सो वही होता है टेबल. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लेमैन टर्म्स, आप गूगल करके डेफिनेशन पढ़ सकते हो एंड वाइवा में बोल सकते हो, बट दिस इज द बेसिक डेफिनेशन. देन आई बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिंटैक्स दैट क्रिएट table, that is we are creating the table, and then we have to give the table name, and then open single bracket करके we will write the column name. Just for example, ID हो सकता है, वो name हो सकता है, first name हो सकता है for a user table, and then we need to give the data type. And data type यहाँ पे ID में you can write int or UID, name में you can write varchar, we'll be talking in detail about. And then you can write constraints. So constraint may be that it is not null and all the stuff. I'll be discussing this thing more detail in the next video, and I'll be also showing you that how to create a table in the next video with constraints, so don't worry about that. So yeah, and so this is how a table is created. This is a simple formula, right? Not formula, a simple SQL syntax, that how you can create a table. So I hope that you guys understood this part, and then let's apply this thing, and let's understand this with an example. So in this one, as you can see, I've created a table, right? Create table, and then I named the table as user, and then I opened a singular bracket, that is first bracket, and then I wrote ID, then I mentioned the data type, and then the second is first name, then varchar 50. 50 is the limit, varchar is the data type. Last name is varchar, gender varchar, date of birth is timestamp, so it will also have the capacity to store date of birth in timestamp. So this is the basic particular thing, and I'll be creating the same table, right? So I'll be creating the same table. So let's jump into our code editor, that is data grip. And also I have actually deleted the table which I created previous day, just for it was just for experimentation purpose. You can see that no tables created. So this was the last, how to say, the last SQL query which I executed in the previous video. So let's delete it. So as I've told you, I'll be how we can create a table. So you can write create. First you have to write create, then write table, and then you have to write a table name. Let me use small letter like this, and then you have to open first bracket. After you open the first bracket, you have to give the column name. Column is ID. Now you have to write the data type, that is int. Cool. Then you have to hit enter. After that, you will be writing first name. First name is varchar, right? Varchar 50. Okay. Then you will write last name. Sorry for the typo. Varchar, I will write 50. ID, first name, last name, then gender. Gender also varchar 50. Also, we can use enum to actually store the gender as male, female, or prefer not to say, or others. You can say we can write like that as well, so that it is restricted. I will be also talking about enum, so don't worry. Then gender. Then I will write date of birth. Date of birth will be timestamp. Right. So this is how the table will get created. Now let me see. Yeah. So this is the thing. Let me make this capital. Okay, make this small only. No problem. Then I will hit the play button. You can see, yeah, you can say there is a play button. Yeah, so you can see that it got connected, and then it the query got executed, and I hopefully think that it is created in Superbase dashboard. Because if it is not created, then I would have got an error. So you can see that it is created. You can clearly see ID, first name, last name, gender, date of birth. It's pretty much clear, right? So this is the thing. This is how you can create a table. Now, like I want to create a table for books, right? For collection of books. Basically, I am thinking to make a application where I lend books and borrow books and all the stuff. So I'll be giving the name as book, right? Then it will be an ID, right? Title, maybe a description. Oh, no, that's not description. Author name. Then I'll write price, and then I'll be writing maybe ISBN number. And then I'll be like making it int 8. Yeah, so this is how I will do it, right? So let's hit enter and let's see what happens. So you can see that I executed this query, and hopefully it got created. Let's see, let's refresh this. Yeah, you can see that book table is created. So this is table, these are columns. This is table, the whole thing is table, and this is columns. We can clearly like insert rows, but I'll be doing it through queries, SQL queries, but it will be coming in the upcoming videos, not now. So this is the thing, you can create these things like create table. So now we'll talk about that. What are data types? Like what are the data types available in Postgres? So you can see that numeric type is available. So if I click on numeric type, I will be heading off to this page, and you can see that small int contains like the range is from this to this, big serial is from this to this. So according to your need, you can use this data type, and you can like see that what are the integer type, what are the precision scale, and all of the stuff. The list is pretty long. You can just see that numeric type, multiple types, character types, then boolean type, then bitstring type. There are many things. JSON types is also here, and this is the main thing of Postgres, that it supports JSON format. So it's pretty much good, and it sets apart from other database like MySQL and SQL. So yeah, so now you can see the main big data types in Postgres, like big int, big serial, then boolean, then date. These are the pretty much common and pretty much useful things which we'll be using day to day life. Then JSON, JSONB, there's a binary JSON, and then there are many things like UUID is pretty much important. I'll be telling you guys in the upcoming video. These four things are also very important, that what are the timestamps and all of the stuff, including time zone. This is the format which I prefer generally. So this is the thing. And yeah, so this is the thing. I'll also give this link in the description, and also the suitable links in the description. I'm also thinking to have a GitHub repo where I'll be making this very public there, video wise, so that it can be very much helpful to you guys to actually get the video, to get the SQL queries and learn from there as well. I am thinking of that, so in the next video I hope that it will be getting ready. So yeah, so if you really like the content of this channel, then surely like the channel, like the content of this, like the video, as well as consider subscribing the channel. Now I would like to talk about Newton School and its programs. So Newton School is actually a edtech startup who are providing courses for free. When you will get a job of 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs, after that you can repay the amount to them. And also many companies hire through Newton School, so you can also get hired from there as well. So you can just check a look out their courses. They also do mock interviews and all the stuff, and prepare you from scratch so that you can crack interview easily. So this is the thing which I wanted to tell you. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.